In this tutorial, I'll show you a stair generator block in Simulink. This is a very useful block, and if you want to validate your model, okay, and you will find stair generator block in Simulink library browser, and we have to go Simscape, okay, and here this is a Simscape, the electrical, the specialized power system sources and signal generator sources, okay, and here is our signal stair generator block, okay, and I'm taking a scope to visualize or see the output, okay, and it's okay. And here in stair generator block you will find as time and amplitude, okay, and here you can see and I'm taking custom value like 1 2 3 and 4, okay. So this is a time value, and at the time value what you want the amplitude of your signal, okay, like a time value I want it as 1000, and 1 second it also 1000, and 2 second it will be like 800, and 3 second 500, and again and I want it as 200, okay. And you have to take the same number as time and amplitude, and click OK. You can also add your sample time whenever it required, okay. So this time stair generator time is 4 seconds. After 4 seconds I am taking as up to 5 seconds, okay. And run this model and you will see the output here, okay. You can see at up to 2 second, 2 second its amplitude is 1000, then 800, and it's giving a 500 and then 200, okay. So that's all, and you can also change your time value and amplitude value whatever you want, and this is absolutely a gate block whenever you use or and check whether your model working or not, and so on, okay. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.